an early learning librarian with the Spokane County Library District, here to share with you an early learning tip. Cooking with young kids can help them learn and practice math concepts as they count and measure. Try some preschool approved recipes in a book such as Pretend Soup and Other Real Recipes by Mollie, Katzen, and Henderson. In this book, children can read the recipes by following the illustrated instructions. There are also detailed recipes for the grown-ups to help them be successful in their cooking. So take some time and spend in the kitchen with your child. For more learning resources, please visit the library's website at scld.org. Thanks.